Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I will be unboxing and assemble this plant rack that I bought online. So this one is actually a 16 layer decorative plant shelf na pwede nating ilagay sa ating balcony area, or we can actually even put it here indoors. So this one actually comes in different number of layers. We've got 18 layers, we've got 15 and 10 layers, but for me personally, I decided na kunin yung 15 layers na lang. And later I'm gonna be showing to you kung ano nga ba yung itsura niya once na na-assemble. So of course, as you know, I'm trying to save space dito sa ating new apartment, and I think this would be really a perfect na plant shelf para sa mga kagaya ko na limited lang yung space sa kanilang apartment and at the same time gustong mag-alaga ng mga halaman. So definitely I will be putting more of the ornamental plants or indoor plants dito sa plant shelf na ito, kasi I cannot really put this doon sa ating balcony area, which is reserved for our succulent collection. So inassemble ko siya in just about 30 minutes. Sobrang dali niyang i-assemble, and it actually looks like this. After niyang maayos, nilagay ko siya dito sa ating parang main door para it will serve as a divider nung main door at saka nung ating parang dining area. And what I really like most about this shelf na ito, or this plant shelf, is may gulong siya. It has about 12 wheels. Ayan, and since may gulong nga siya, we can easily move it even if na punong-puno na siya ng halaman. So for example, ito gusto ko siyang ilipat doon sa ating balcony area. We can actually move it easily. Ayan, diba? So hindi na natin kailangan tanggalin pa yung mga halaman isa-isa. And at the same time pala, I forgot to mention na itong plant shelf natin na ito is gawa siya sa plastic, which is really convenient for me, especially pag nagdidilig, kasi pag wood yung ginamit natin, diba, hindi natin siya pwedeng madiligan or mabasa. Unlike for this one, pag didiligan ko na yung ating mga ornamental plants, all we need to do is pull them papunta doon sa ating toilet area or sa ating bathroom area, and doon nga natin siya didiligan. So kahit mabasa yung ating plant rack, hindi tayo mamumroblema. Ayan. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.